Welcome to 136 North Street in Midland. We've got stone bench tops in the kitchen, tile splashbacks, a large fridge nook, open to this main living space. Timber look flooring, split cycle aircon, and a good amount of space. There's an internal laundry, multiple power points there. Bathroom number 1, just next to this bedroom. Large window over your own private little courtyard space, built-in robe, carpet floors, LED downlights. Master bedroom, well-placed window in the corner there that will draw in natural light. You've got a walk-in robe, which is a nice feature. And an ensuite bathroom with, again, just like the other bathroom, a good amount of space, especially for a unit. Stone bench tops that match the kitchen. Let's have another quick look in the kitchen. You've got controls here for an intercom to the outside, and also your RCDs can be controlled from within the unit, which is a nice touch. Plenty of storage in overhead cabinets, space for a dishwasher to go. And then walking through to the outside, your courtyard has a pedestrian gate which you can lock. And your courtyard wraps around the whole of the unit to where your gas hot water system is. There's also an outdoor tap. This is 136 North Street in Midland.